Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Been goofing around with this kit I'm putting together with my LT Wright field knife from Wild Harvest series. And I went over a fire kit here a little while back. It had 5/16 ferro rod in it, but I want to put something here in the 3/8. And I could just put a 3/8 ferro rod in there. This is one that I had some Gorilla tape around the top. So if it's just in a kit by itself, it's not a bad idea just to put a little Gorilla tape around the top of it, or you could use, depending on how long it is, if it was 6-inch, you could do 1 inch of Gorilla tape and 1 inch of like goon tape or something on it just to have some extra on there. But I am going to put an Antler handle on it. So to do this, you need your ferro rod, this guy, a piece of Antler. This is whitetail Antler, and you'll need several different drill bits. This is I think it's 3/16, I think, and then this one is 1/16. And then you'll need a big one to drill this hole. But I had a bag of these that I had drilled for making ones for my website, and this handle was too short compared to the ones that I try to use. But this hole is 13/32 is the drill bit that you use for that. But drill this guy out whatever size that you want. Take your ferro rod, and I just take a file. Just use this one, and I'll go on the end that's going to go into the handle itself. And I'm just going to scuff it up a little bit just to make sure the glue holds. And you can use two-part epoxy for this, Gorilla Glue. I try to use stuff that doesn't foam. Plain Gorilla Glue likes to foam. Clear Gorilla Glue does not. And it holds good. If you ever were to break it, you could drill it out if you wanted to, but no more than it takes to make one of these. It's about worth just making another one. So once this is scuffed up a little bit, I get an idea about how far this guy goes down in there. And I'm gonna put one hole right here with the 1/16 inch drill bit. And that's gonna be for a pin. I like to put pins in mine. See, yeah, that's good. So I just test fit this to make sure that the holes lined up. And then I'm just going to go right through the hole and out the other side. So we're all the way through here. Uh-oh, drilled a hole in my thing. So this is roughly what it'll look like before I'm going to do a jute wrap on it. Also, but my jute is inside. I didn't bring that out, which is okay. Do that for another time. This is where we're going to go ahead and put some glue on this dude. I'll just go around the inside right here. And just poke it in there like that. I don't know why this thing's been having such a hard time focusing. But once I get the glue in there, I've been using bamboo for my pins lately. It makes for a super good pin. And you just get it rounded out. Relatively close. And I'm going to squirt some glue down into the hole there. Yeah, I got a video coming on this dude. It's been a wonderful knife of the month. Oops. Once I... What in the world? Oh, it was just... Sorry, it was tight. I couldn't figure out what was happening to it. But I'll use this. And just tap it with a rock. I'm just driving that pin on through there. To make sure it's all the way through. And then I don't have any side cutters right up here. I just scored it and broke it. And then I'll touch it up. Just to get it smooth. And then I still have a pretty good piece of bamboo left for more pins. Again, this is just clear Gorilla Glue. I will now take the 13/16. And let me see, yeah. And I've drilled me a lanyard hole in there. I'm a lanyard hole kind of dude. You can take one of these larger drill bits and just knock those little burrs off with it. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I'll have to let this dry, of course, but then it'll go right there in that dude. And I will take well, I just had an idea. Of course, I don't have very much of it. I wonder if I did a copper wrap on it to hide the pins. Normally I use jute. It just helps hold those pins in. I believe I'll just use jute. I don't have any out here right this second. But if you go and look on some past videos, there are how-tos on the jute wrap that I do on a lot of this stuff. Here's an example that I had made. it'll be this jute wrap here. And this thing's been outside since we made it, so it's really tough material. But anywho, there is a Antler handle on your ferro rod that will go right in this kit here. All right, guys, thanks.